Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab hosted by Tina at Tina's Reborns. And there are 7 of us doing this collab. Tina from Tina's Reborns, Irene from Irene Huff's Doll Space, Penny from Playful Reborns, Dory from Dory's Dollies, Jay from J Dolls UK, and Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse. I'll have their links in the description because they won't all fit in the title. Go by and see what they have done with their oversized hoodie. Tina mailed us a pattern, and we're all making an oversized hoodie for our Smart Dolls. The thing about everybody using the same pattern, it's so fun to see how everyone not only puts the pattern together, but the choices of fabrics and such that they use. This used to be a pair of leggings at one time, and now it is leggings and trim. And then I bought these t-shirts. I don't know if there's enough. I should have gone and got, I have another one. I bought these t-shirts at Walmart for $1. And I've used this fabric. Well, this one I used only for this, but I have used other t-shirts that I bought for $1. They had them in like 5X. Always grab the biggest one they have. Always check the Walmart clearance items, because you can get fabric so much cheaper. So that's what I use. Let me come around and show you my girl. This pattern had an insert of fabric at the side and under the sleeves. So that's where I got the idea to do the different trim, to make it a bit different. And then I also put it around the waist, and I should put her hood on her. Let's pull this hood up if I can. Let's see. I don't know that I can with all this hair. She usually wears braids, but I thought it was cute with her hair down with this hoodie. And look at that, I can do it. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's see if I can pull this up without ruining everything. It has the hole for the hair to come through, and then it has a porthole for the Smart Doll stand in the back.
That was a lot of work.
Yeah, it was. And she has her hood up with the trim on it, and then trim at the sleeves and then underneath. It kind of I went right by the pattern. I did everything by the book. Darren will tell you there could have been some cussing involved, mostly because of this t-shirt fabric with the stretch knit trim. They were a bit to work with. I added this bead, but it's a little slides down just too easily. What I want to do, I think I'm going to take a piece. I didn't want to do it before the video and ruin it ruin it before you even saw it. I'm going to take some hot glue and put it right here so that falls kind of like a necklace. I thought that would be cute. Let's see if I can get it to stay there. And then she has her blood red cup that Darren made. I love those. I just love those. The sleeves, boy, they are oversized. I got to tell you. Now, I gave her these shoes, but you tell me, I'm going to have you vote in my comments. These shoes or the more casual tennis shoes. I like them both. I really do. But I'm going to go with these every time. I did want to show you it has working pockets on each side. She's got her hand in one. Here's a little pockets. Move your arms, never. This is Never Say Never Adams, and I usually have her hair in 2 braids. So that is my oversized oversized sweatshirt. Yeah, I'm going to add a little glue right there. I was getting ready to cut these leggings and trim, And I noticed the name on the inside of this tag, and I just had to laugh. I told Darren, get the camera, this has to be part of this video. Thank you to Tina, our hostess, and everyone that participated in this collab. Again, I'm listing them in the description. Please go by. These were, well, they were a bit of work. Thank you for watching the Dolls to Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
I really love that, baby. You did a great job.
Thank you.